All right, we're at Dave & Buster's, Albuquerque, New Mexico. All right, so I looked on the app real quick and they said there's like 10 new games. I've never been to Dave & Buster's forever. So this Stranger Things game is new. I'm just gonna do a loop. We'll come back around. Star Wars game right there. I'll get it video in a second. There was kids playing. The crane is just tickets. The hatchet game. Tailgate toss. They still have the jungle one. SpongeBob. One is broken. Minecraft. Okay. Alright, let me show this Grogu. They left this. So, Mandalorian Grogu. And that's a coin pusher. Oh, with collector cards. Alright, we'll have to come back to that. That looks cool. They have good old-fashioned Star Trek things, which that looks neat. Oh, it's something to do. Let's go back for a second. You throw balls to do something. Oh, there's an angry bird. Alright, there's a lot of games I don't recognize. Got a claw machine with toys in it. Zombie snatcher. A 500, piano keys, and Angry Bird. Alright. And then the prize room. Looks pretty standard to other Dave & Buster's prize rooms. We're just playing Zombie Snatcher. I wanted to play the new game, but everyone wants to play it. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get onto it. Robert's already won me like a 500 and a 300. So he's using my card so I can get some tickets. So yeah. Our favorite Zombie Snatcher. And they have, I'm so upset, they have tailgate toss. There's only 3 bags. You can't win anything with 3 bags. So it's not very busy, but everyone's playing the games that I want to play. So I don't know. I don't know how long we're going to stay. I wanted to play that new Star Wars game, but I also don't want to stay here all night. We'll see. I'm going to walk around, see what is new here. Since Robert's winning me some points on the tickets on the Zombie Snatcher. Let's see. Socks, no. Air fryer, no. It has to be small. We are not in St. Louis. We are in Albuquerque. These keys for a keypad, or for your keyboard, that's cute. What is that? Like there's a toy in a... That's kind of cute. I might get, that's kind of cute. So like, it's different characters in a walkie-talkie. That's neat. Okay, and they definitely have a lot of Stranger Things. What is this one? Oh, it's a TV. Oh my god, that one's even neater. Okay, that one's neat. I only had 1,700 before Robert won me a bunch, so I don't know if he... Wait, this is 28.25. So should I get the walkie-talkie or the TV? I'll let Robert decide. Stranger Things slime? Man, everything is Stranger Things. Mini Brands Retro. Last time I went to Dave & Buster's, I got a bunch of those. They were fun, but I think this time I'll do the other thing. The Stranger Things. Chips. How'd you do? All right, well, I'll show you it. Let's see.
Slow down.
Sure. They're like, you're winning too much. All right, so let me show you. Oh. All right, so they have the Stranger Things. It's a TV. There's a toy inside. Or do you like the Stranger Things walkie-talkie with a toy inside?
I don't like either of those.
He doesn't like it. All right, we got it. So 28.25. Let's see how many tickets I have.
Just being honest.
Where's the thing? And they got candy up front. Let's see. How many do I have? All right. 4,000 tickets. You have to keep in mind, I only had 1,700, Robert.
Oh, all right.
You won me a lot of tickets. All right, we walked up to the Star Trek, and of course, someone left some money on it. There is a tribble on that. I'm just hovering like a shark. It's the machine I want. Someone's camped out at it. So yeah, people tend to walk off when there's still money left because they walk off in the middle of a bonus being given, or they get bored. I think it's because a bonus like is given and they don't realize it. But yeah, I think some people get bored too. We have not played Star Trek first. See, you're gonna get a bonus. What's it gonna be? 20. He had 25 free, and then he got 20 bonus. So
I'm not getting any credit for it, but
now the thing is, like, there's no chips anymore.
stock falls.
The only thing is if a card falls. Otherwise, it's just not as fun as it used to be. I really miss the plastic tokens.
It's gonna spit something out. I feel it.
It should, but it didn't.
It's being stingy.
Such a slow mover.
Yeah, I'll just play for free. I prefer the free.
Free is always good. All right. They don't win any cards, but it was fun. Let's see. Any other easy to win tribbles or money left behind? No. Oh yeah, this one. Here you go, Robert. See? Someone left 30s. Yeah, no cards. Easy to win. No tribbles on this one. Too funny. All right, druggies are leaving. I'm gonna go grab the machine.